How to activate Cash App card from the Cash application. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimul from Help Deck. In this card video, I'll show you the way as to how you can activate your Cash App card from your Cash App. But before we get started, if you're new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now, in order to first activate our Cash App, we need to request a Cash card. So unlock your iPhone or Android and launch the Cash App. Then just tap on the Cash card icon second from the left at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, what you have to do is now after you come to this page, tap on the green order button that you see. As you tap on the green order button on the next page, select the color that you want the Cash card to sport. As of now, you can only choose between black or white at the moment. And on the next page, select whether or not you'd like a unique Cash card to appear in front of your card and so on. And on this screen, you also have to enter and add a signature or drawing to the front of your card by tapping the box that says tap to customize, as you can see in this case. And on the next page, enter in where you would like to have a Cash card mailed to. You need to enter all of your location details and so on. And lastly, enter the last 4 digits of your social security number and tap next. A page should pop up confirming that your Cash card request went through. So just tap on the continue button right over here. Now you'll see this kind of interface. Now from here, you'll be redirected to a page where you can add funds to your card. Enter in the amount that you'd like to tap or the small gray X at the top right corner of the screen. Now we have to move on to the steps of activating. That is how you can activate your Cash card using a QR code. Now unlock your mobile device, and again you have to similarly launch the Cash application as well. On the Cash app home screen, just tap the Cash card icon second from the bottom left corner as we did earlier, and you'll find this option that says activate Cash card to get started. So all you have to do is tap on the activate button. The application will then ask you to use your camera to scan the QR code found on the Cash app card. You have to simply align your camera with the code and hold it until focus. Once you line up the QR code with the camera on your device, your Cash card will officially be activated and ready for use. If you want to activate a Cash card without a QR code, then again on the next screen you have to simply tap on activate Cash card. Now, instead of using a camera, tap the missing QR code option, and you'll see this kind of interface over here, and select the use CVV instead. Enter the CVV code and expiration date located on a new Cash card, and once you enter this information, your Cash card will be set up and ready to use. And this is how you can activate your Cash app card. We hope the video was really helpful. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries, or doubts, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.